So how can you silence notifications on Android? Let me explain that and let's talk about it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So first of all, you can open up your settings as usual, and a part of the main settings page, you can see so many different things, but obviously the notifications have their own settings page. So you get in here and you essentially manage everything right there. So you tap on app notifications at first, and you have to manage it on app by app basis. You can see that in my case, the majority of apps have the toggle turned off, meaning that I don't receive notifications from almost any app. I kind of prefer it this way, so most apps don't even deliver notifications. But those that do, you can see that I can get inside or enable it for any other app, but I also get to manage how exactly it shows up. So I, for example, can still get the notifications, but make them silent, right? So that is the thing which you probably are interested in. You probably don't want to just turn it off fully, but you can switch from the allow sound and vibration to the silent mode. So that's probably the thing that you wanted to do. So yeah, you can go through it like that. Like you can enable notifications for any app, but switch it to the silent and then not the one with the sounds. So that is something which you most definitely have the ability to change. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. That's like the mission of this channel. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one. And I will hopefully see you in the future as well.